new day today, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some quick update for you guys on Andy's motor, which is the SR20. With the head stud repair that I just did, that all went good, but as I told you, we had a stud that was really boogered up. So Andy was able to get a new stud straight from Mazworks in, a single stud with nut. So that's gonna be here, but for the meantime, we have Q's block here. I painted it. It's good to go. I'm gonna take the tape off and I'm gonna ball hone. I'm gonna go ahead and ball hone the cylinders. Once the cylinders are ball honed, we'll go ahead, start prepping everything else, like his pistons. I'm gonna reuse the same piston rings as long as the clearance is all good. Clean everything up, new bearings, and we'll keep on going. So, all right, guys, get started on this.
The way I boost, the way you boost, big difference. The way I shift, the way you shift is different. The way I drive, the way you drive is different. I'm over here chilling, vibe with Prep the Bro. You already know, got them cars.
All right, I've got everything on the time lapse, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what a clean block should look like when it's ready to assemble. Head, all clean. Cylinders, clean. All right. So went through all 4 cylinders, went over the head, and everything is dialed, man. Everything's looking really good. And this is ready to seat some rings. So what I'm gonna do now, I've got to go ahead, clean out in here, make sure all my bearing surfaces are solid. And then the next step is basically, you know, starting to assemble the motor. I'm gonna place the crank in here, make sure everything is solid.
240s on deck, Fox bodies on deck. Got cars over here that would break and jerk your neck. When we shifted from first to second shifts, we so smooth. Shh. Listen to that turbo smooth non-fiction. Had my car disappear from your vision. Tuned my whip to perfection, made a big difference. Christoph Johnson, I'm convinced is a wizard. When it comes to tuners, y'all need to book a session with him. S13s, S14s, 240s, 300Zs, Fox by T's, CL6s. If you need more power, he the one to get with. If your whip is broke, I bet he can fix it. Build some shit and then boost it. Take his time testing tuning. I don't.
Okay. Dang, yo, you're fast, B. Yo, you real fast. Woo! Alright, y'all. Got the crank in here, all torqued down for its final time. And yeah, it spins pretty good. Huh?
Think y'all understand how fiction about to be a movement. Big turbo boosted. Only talk bad when they losing. A couple y'all had a chance to join the team, which I was snoozing. Funny how niggas pop out when they see how good you're doing. But where was y'all niggas at when we needed help with this building? Where was y'all niggas at when we needed help with the moving? Now popping up and shit done, trying to be in the movie. The way I drive and the way you drive is different. The way I shift, the way you shift is different. I shift smooth and you misshifted. The way you think and the way he think is different. His brain set up like a transmission, hit and get after gearing. My dude smooth, no grinding, no slipping. Real skillful, know what he doing, don't got time for fibbing. So if you got a couple dollars and you bout that car life and you wanna vibe and chill and see what your numbers like, just hit up non-fiction. Ain't building boosts inside, he can fix it. Hit up non-fiction. Everybody got that one.
All right, so we've got Q's KA, the short block. It is all completed. It is all spec'd out. It's all blueprinted. Everything's in spec. Everything is just looking so fresh, so clean, and just so dialed. So that's good. The short block's good. We've got that done. I just now unboxed the head. The head definitely needs a good cleaning. I'll do all of that in-house. Everything looks good. All the hardware was here. I just need you to subscribe so you stay up to date with all the information. The channel is very young, but it's projected to go very far. We went around the whole town looking for simple green and we couldn't find it. And this is my next go-to right here. I dilute it because it's a little bit acidic, but it's not enough to damage the head. Gotta be careful I don't hydrolock the motor. Right now, for the rest of the day, I'm gonna hop on Lou's car, get it on the hubs. Well, it's on the hubs, but we're gonna get a couple runs into it, see what it's looking like, and see if we can make some boost. We made why is the fucking horsepower not showing? How much we made? 290, let's say? 296 or something? So that was on 5 degrees of timing at 6,500 RPM. Like 6,400. Right now I'm gonna bump the RPM up to 7,000. The air fuel looks good. And then I'm gonna do another pull with just those changes. Yeah, we're gonna make sure the fueling is good, off to the 7K rev limit. If all that shows good, I'm gonna slowly start bumping in the timing, and that's where everything's gonna happen.
Fucking difference. Oh my god.
Sorry. Yeah, so Lou, tell us, man. How you think about, oh, we didn't even tell the camera was off. So, we're done dynoing. I'm back here on D's motor. Yeah, just like that. Crazy, right? Yo.
Real quick, from there.
Snap of a finger, just like that. On to the next.
A lot of shit, man. It's a lot of shit that goes on in the shop. But pretty much we're out of injectors on Lou's car. To no one's fault, but what we did, my strategy was to have it on stock injectors just so I can get the hang of up rev. I don't have to do a whole bunch of math with Excel and everything to get it where it is right now. But right now we're at 112 duty cycle. All right, we're maxed out, and we are still at the 6,500 RPM. But man, we're making really good progress on it. You know, this came out really good, really good. Ooh, check this over. Ooh. That's good. That's great. What time did we flip it out? 6:30, right? Yeah. Damn, time flies. I'm gonna pull it out, half the head's gonna be gone. You know, like piranhas ate that shit.
Stupid. Nothing left.
This shit's so clean, it disappeared. Nah, that's excellent right there. Tomorrow I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna do the valve guides. You know, we can't have no blow by like this, a Honda Civic. The clearances are good for this motor. Shouldn't be any blow by whatsoever. It's not on the bigger side. Dollar store special, you heard me? The dollar store.
Look at that, man. That was crazy.
Whoa. Oh, dude, chill out, man. That whole shit almost tipped over. Welcome back, player-nets and players. Player-nets is another term for a female player. At least that's what I just made up on the spot. Gonna replace all of Q's valve stem seals in here on this head that he got shipped in. It is a used head. It wasn't good working condition, so I'm just gonna freshen it up before I drop it on the block. We are still waiting on the head gasket also, so you know, just a couple things and then we're gonna be ready to rock. So you guys know what's going on in the background. I'm gonna show you guys my little my co-workers here. So we've got Silver and come on, I can do this. We've got Arrow. All right, so probably gonna hear them in the background as I try to give you guys this little demonstration here. So you'll need a BFH, which is a big effing hammer. You need this tool here, which is a valve stem keeper removal tool. So this removes the keepers from the valve stem. And then you need a valve stem seal puller. Everything can be grabbed off of Amazon. You know, Amazon, they run the world. So yeah, that's pretty much all the stuff we need. I am also using an 8mm socket to put the valve stem seals down there. So I'm gonna concentrate on the intake valves all the way up. I did cylinder 1, I'm gonna go into cylinder 2. And pretty much, you remove this front section of the tool. You take your BFH and you give it a really good whack. What that does, it captures the keeper. Now only one keeper came out. Okay, so now the whole spring is cocked to one side. Let me show you guys an example real quick. Okay, so this piece is actually magnetic also. You can see it's holding the keeper. I take the spring, place the spring, take the tool, and you literally just get in there with your tool and pull it out. See right there? That is the old valve stem seal. Get your new one. Some people soak it in oil and everything like that, but honestly, it's not that serious. Clean up the bottoms. There's usually a bunch of crap down in there. Just go around, pick up any of the debris that's down there. Sometimes the remainder of the seal stays back. This is my new seal here. Put a little bit of oil in there if you please to. Then I take my 8mm socket and then I get my small hammer, which was hidden back here. And you just gently put your tool back, your valve spring back on, put your keepers back in. Then you go ahead and reattach your tool here, because this is the installation part. Don't get poked in your eyeball with this. All right, and there we go. Everything's sealed. I take my pick and I try to remove the keepers. Make sure that they're in there good. And that's that. That's pretty much the removal of the seals. I'm gonna time lapse the whole thing.
Who claim that they motor built and they need a tune to unlock this full potential. It's alright, hit up non-fiction. Use a promo code, best friend James Manning. 10% off, but that's only if y'all both get on the Dyno, get tuned. That's not one car, but it's two. Hit up non-fiction. Hit up non-fiction. Hit up non-fiction. Hit up non-fiction. That bass mat tune you running, it ain't it, man. Hit up non-fiction. 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 If you got a 240 and you wanna swap the engine, huh? Fuck it, get that turbo you want. You deserve it, you work hard. My man's is nice, he's solid. Hit up non-fiction.
Yeah. What's good, y'all? Welcome to Non-Fiction Performance. I'll show you guys where I ended off the last time and where we're gonna go at today. We finished up Q's head. We have the valve stem sealed. That's all finished. The head is re-cleaned and it's in this final step to be put onto the block. The only thing I'm waiting right now is for a head gasket. I'm still waiting on Andy's nut. No diddy, y'all. No diddy. We're gonna wait for slow ass USPS to drop the nut off, and we're gonna torque everything down, and we're gonna finish this motor shortly. That's about all the updates that we have going on right now in the shop. Let's just go outside. I've got a vehicle outside here, a quick drop off. There was one comment on my last video. Thank you for that comment, but they suggested that maybe I should do, you know, everyday kind of vlog, and this is gonna be that everyday kind of vlog. So, all right. So right now we have this 03 Subaru that was dropped off, and it's here for a camshaft sensor and a header install. I'll be honest, I heard the customer pull up. I heard it missing. I asked him if it's missing. He said it is missing from the sensor. This, I believe, I don't know why, I think it's down a hole, and I don't think it's sensor related. That's not a sensor. That is mechanical. This is a JDM motor. It could either be something simple as coil pack, spark plugs, or it's down a hole. He said it went down a hole after he was revving it. I don't know if the Subaru box is what I'm hearing or if it's a misfire. But no, it's definitely a miss. The whole motor's about to come out the hood. You know what? Shaggy's holding the camera. You're a Subaru guy. What is this I'm hearing? Is this a miss or is this the Subaru boxer sound that everyone loves?
Well, that's a Subaru life, you know.
That is the overall Subaru. That is the boxer misfire we're hearing, actually. Oh yeah, this is the boxer misfire. Man, turbo spooled up when we shifted gears. That is sketchy. Who the hell is sitting on that? It's probably the.
They want to see the whole, you know.
There's probably the what's those little green men? Sometimes they're good and evil or something. Leprechaun. That's a leprechaun's chair. Oh, we almost stalled out. God damn, let's get out of here.
Just wanted to see the whole stuff.
I don't hope I can know what the fuck I'm doing.
Have to pause and look.
Make sure, right?
My muscles, right here. I don't even punch people. I hit them with this shit. Bow! Instant knockout. Instant.
Them things got six packs.
I've been working them shits out for at least 15 years now. Alright guys. So, this came in for the miss, right? Now, right before, that shit all in my grill. You know we don't got the right type of lens, bro. My man's all in my joint. Holy shit. Look at what's just chilling down here.
A whole... It's not even in it. It's not even in.
Do you see that?
Oh, wow.
That shit is just there chilling. The whole coil pack is literally just hanging out.
In there.
Relaxing. Just trying to start a fire. Just trying to arc shit, you know? Let me get some oil. Let me... Alright guys, we're all finished up here on the Subaru, the job of the day. The manifold, it was not able to fit. The flange for the up pipe is actually different, so we put the stock one back on, and now I'm gonna take it back down the strip, make sure everything is solid, call the customer, have him come pick it up. Take it on the strip. Maybe it could just be a Subaru boxer sound.
That's
you know
a sound,
what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
So let's take it on the strip. Definitely got a misfire, but let's take it on the strip and see what's up. Verify. Alright guys, welcome back. Just like that with the switch up. Alright, right now we're in Lou's car. We can't get in touch with the customer with the Subaru, but I've got to let him know that there is still a misfire on that car. But for now, we're on Lou's car. He's got the 650 DW GTR injectors in there. My man Lou back here. So last time we stopped at 112 duty cycle. We should probably cut that roughly in half.
Yeah, 67,000.
That dip, I don't know what that was. I'm not sure if that was torque management or what. We were just about to start turning it up, but at this dip right here, long story short guys, at 6,500, the car maxes out the MAF sensor. We can't do any more pulls tonight. So we just put in 650cc injectors and we were at, whoa, buddy. What happened was the fuel started to run away because the injectors were at 91% duty cycle on that last pull. So we need to verify why it was like that. Also, the MAF was maxed out the whole way. All the way from 40, around 5 grand. 4,700 RPM. Lou's gonna go for a fire up. I'm gonna guide him out of here. Go ahead, let me romp on it real quick. Damn, something broke. What's that? Shit. Oh, god damn it. Alright guys, we got, I don't know if you guys ever saw Kevin, man, but he's probably one of the funniest old heads I've seen in my life. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
We got a hood or something. Yeah. This dude, y'all hear right in the background, he just came out of witness protection. So. The girls just caught me out here. Girls, what's going on?
The two rainbow.
Two rainbows. Because James wants to go home. He got shit to do in the morning.
Hit up non-fiction. Hit up non-fiction. Hit up non-fiction.